oxygen in the atmosphere creates ozone. And this ozone, it blocks the harmful UV rays coming in from the sun. Dinosaurs first appeared between 247 and 240 million years ago. 550 to 335 million years ago, there were supercontinents supporting the evolution of extremely large animals. Today, there are 7 continents on planet Earth. Pathways connect trees and allow them to communicate, which enables the forest to behave as a single organism. Honeybees pollinate nearly all plants. They do this by harvesting pollen and nectar from blooms. The tree takes the energy from the sun, the light energy, and then the carbon dioxide, or the CO2, which is what heats the atmosphere. There have been many cases of interspecies friendships. I'm going to share with you guys just a few. In other words, there are different animals that are friends. Oh, we could also start using like wind and solar energy, and then we can maybe like electric cars. And one of the cool things about that is if you guys study math, science, and engineering,